Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the FAMURS 1500 watt LED grow light 3X reflector series grow lamp, triple chip LED plant light, full spectrum for indoor plants, seeding, vegetation, and flower. Well, that's quite the mouthful. What I want to do is a side-by-side comparison of this lamp and the double chip lamp growing seedlings for our oak Savanna project. You can see some of the prairie grasses growing over there. We have a ton of them growing back in here, and I'll be starting several hundred prairie grasses in our machine shed over there in a special room for them. And I want to know if the triple chip at 1500 watts is better for starting and growing seedlings. You know, they're only going to get to whatever size, and then they'll go outside into the greenhouse. So I really want to know what kind of light is best for starting seedlings that are only going to be under the light for, 2 months, a little more maybe. So let's look at the features really quick. Triple chip 15 watt LEDs. So basically that's 3 5-watt LEDs per circle, and you'll see that in a second. I believe these have, it's Reflector series, so where is it? Yeah, Reflector series. So they have a reflector behind the chips and a lens in front of them, and they aim the light down at a tighter degree so it doesn't spread out to the side. So you get much more of the light focused down where your plants are. Lens technology, yeah, that describes the lens. And this has a vegetation bloom. It should say flowering too, or fruiting and flowering. So it's vegetation, bloom, fruiting and flowering switch. The other light has the exact same thing, and it looks like the exact same control. I don't know, maybe they buy from the same company. Advanced cooling system. The cooling, as far as the temperature inside of the chamber, I'm going to be doing it in the winter in an unheated shed. So the cooling is going to get the heat away from the lights themselves, which is great, so they don't overheat. And I really need that heat in the grow chamber. So all I'm going to do is have an exhaust fan if it gets too hot. I'm not sure what the actual wattage is when these are running. I think it says somewhere, I think it'll probably say what the actual wattage is in the instructions, but okay, 3-year guarantee, blah, 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 hanger, this, that, and the other thing. So basically I think it's got roughly the same footprint as the other light. Okay, I'm gonna need 2 hands no, maybe not. Okay, box within a box, and this one is much better sealed than the first one. If you're new to the channel, I'm building this addition. It's a super insulated addition with the insulation on the outside, rain screen on the outside, I'll put a link to that somewhere. Okay, this packaging looks very similar to the other light that I got, but this does not. This looks quite a bit different. Wow, that's pretty cool looking. FAMURS. And I don't know if maybe these light up. Oh no, it's just got a regular on-off switch. So maybe the remote does not control those. Okay. Okay, the sticker came off and is stuck to the instructions. Okay, wow, it's got four fans. Let me see this. Yeah, it does. Well, I'm going to have to go through the instructions and see what this is all about. If you have to control that manually, which in all reality would not be a big deal. Okay, power cord, glasses. So far, every full spectrum light that I've bought has the glasses because they have infrared and far red. I think that's it. Yeah, IR. I don't know. Oh, no remote. Maybe. Okay, I thought this had a remote. The other one I have right there has a remote where you can do all kinds of stuff, but you can check that out on my other unboxing. I haven't tried either one of them yet, and I won't until I set up the grow chamber. But this is really beefy. Let's check underneath here, see if there is a remote. I could have swore it had a remote. Nope. Alright, just out of curiosity, I'm going to bring some power over here and plug this thing in and see how much light it puts off. Okay, I have her plugged in, and let's see what vegetation looks like. Whoa, is that bright? I have photo gray lenses on, or whatever the hell these are called, but they just went dark from this. So that's vegetation. And this is bloom. Wow. So one's ultraviolet and one is infrared. And there is both of them. And the first light I got of this type did not have the option for changing those two, and the instructions were kind of bad, and it said to put the light 24 inches above the plants, and it burned the hell out of my seedlings. So I'll go over this. This looks very similar to the other lamp that I have, that one there, the finest. Okay, they show 90-degree with the lenses. You could see they're in like a tube with a lens at the front of it. And that focuses. It's at 90 with the lenses and 140 without the lenses, and that makes sense. And they show you how much of your light is wasted. Again, that makes sense. Lots of stuff in the instructions, but I'm not reviewing this. I just wanted to unbox it. So this is what you get. There's hanging hardware and more hanging hardware. These two connect together to raise and lower it. The glasses, if you're going to be spending any amount of time in a room with these on, you don't want to damage your eyes. And exhaust fans, I'm guessing this is the intake, air intake, and then that's what you get with vegetation and bloom. So when I do the final review of this, I'll go over what settings you need to have to grow different things. I don't know how this is going to come out on video, but I have UV blocker glasses on, so I can actually, I'm not looking directly at the lights, but you could see all the different colors in there. So it really does have full spectrum. That is awesome looking. That looks way different than my first light, the one that burned my plants. And like this one here, and this one here, and where is it? That one there. Those are, what are they, infrared or ultraviolet? I think they're ultraviolet. It says in the instructions on the other one, I read that whole instruction that you can't see them because they're not a visible wavelength. But you can actually see that they're on. I can see it at least. Yep, all four of them are on. So that's it. So in roughly 2 months, I'll be setting this up out in the machine shed. I'll be setting this one up and that one up. And my daughter Natalie and I will be doing the side-by-side comparison with the triple chip 1500 watt and a double chip 1000 watt. That is by Finest, and this is FAMURS. And we'll see how they do on our prairie grasses, and I'm not really sure what Natalie's going to be planting, but she's getting really into gardening these days, which is pretty cool. So we'll see how it does with whatever she plants as well. So if you want updates on this stuff and want to see the prairie grasses growing, make sure you subscribe and click on the update icon. And if you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them in the comment section below. And if you like the video and or share it, it helps the channel out greatly. Thanks for watching and have a great day.